wide-angle lens, covers multi-lanes, so there are endless options of views. 𝐶 is also equipped with a 3-axis gravity sensor. The gravity sensor allows 𝐶 to record the process of an emergency collision. The emergency video is separately saved to ensure it not be recovered by regular loop recording. This feature helps you provide evidences for insurance and avoid falling into cheating. With 𝐶 app, you can preview the recording images in real time on your phone. And it's convenient for you to browse the video list and export video files at any time. The installation of 𝐶 is quite easy, just 2 simple steps. The power is provided by your cigarette lighter port right in your own car. No extra power source or batteries needed. It can be rotated to a variety of angles to suit different models of cars. This is uncommon 𝐶 Smart Dash Cam. Life is a beautiful journey. Enjoy every time on the road with the company of 𝐶.
Introducing the Portronics in-car multifunctional adapter. This Bluetooth 5.0 enabled device has dual USB ports to connect a charger, pen drive or a micro SD card. The adapter seamlessly connects smartphones to the car, so you can play music or answer calls using the car speakers with the help of the inbuilt mic. The adapter also has a bass boost button to enhance the audio experience with the touch of a button. The adapter can also be used to charge devices with a USB cable. The adapter is compatible with all Bluetooth 5.0 enabled devices. It also supports USB cables, pen drives and micro SD cards. It comes with a bass boost button, different buttons to toggle between previous and next songs, an LED display and a multifunction button to pause and play music as well as answer and reject calls. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Portronics Auto 12 in-car Bluetooth receiver. This wireless gadget is designed to let you stream music from your phone to your car stereo system. It also lets you make hands-free phone calls with ease. It's compatible with Android, iPhone and Windows. You can connect your phone with the device using Bluetooth and connect the device to your car stereo via the 3.5mm aux cable. It comes with an enhanced bass button. Apart from that, it has a button to receive calls and buttons to increase and decrease volume. It's also equipped with voice assistant technology and can activate Siri, Alexa or Google Assistant. The color of this product is black. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.